Hello my dear student, in this video I am going to show you how to create project and add media in Camtasia Studio timeline. So let's get started. At first open your application. Then click on create new project. Our software is open. Now click on file and click import and then select media. Now we select a sample image and select a sample video. Now click on open. Here you see our image file and video file. Now drag this file into our timeline. Here you see our video and audio file is embedded in this video clip. To separate this, simply right click on this and click separate audio and video. Now we can edit video and audio file separately in our Camtasia Studio timeline. If we want to add image, after this video, simply click on this image from the media bin section, drag it after this video. Then if we play this, here you see after finishing this video, our image pops up. We can add different type of video, images and transition in timeline. So in this way, we can easily create a project in Camtasia Studio and will able to add different type of media files in timeline. Thank you so much for watching.